Okay, for torsion bar adjustment, we're working on a 1995 Chevrolet Suburban four-wheel drive with 200,000 miles. This car has cam lobes that are stuck and won't move, and we have just a little bit of excessive negative camber and a cross camber number that's still green, but it's pretty much right on the edge of flipping to the red. So we're going to make a couple of adjustments with the torsion bars to try and correct this condition. All right, our initial measurements. We are about a 1/4 inch or just a little bit under a 1/4 inch difference. The driver's side measures 8 5/8 inch and the passenger side measures 8 13 inch. So we're going to go ahead and make a change in the ride height to see if we can level out our cross camber and that red camber condition causing a little bit of inside shoulder wear. Let's go ahead and drop the ride height so that this tape measure and that bolt match up. Go ahead and drop the car. Hold it! You're actually raising the car. Drop it down just a little bit. Right there. So it's touching, and we're actually making the car a little bit worse. We've increased cross camber into a red condition. We've got 0, which actually made that slightly better, but now we're at a +9 on the right front wheel. Let's go ahead and raise the other bolt. Flip your switch, take it over to the driver's side torsion bar. Let's take a look and see what happens. That's making it worse. We're going to drop that side slightly and bring everything down. If you bring it down, that should lean the entire truck slightly to the driver's side, making driver front camber more positive and passenger front camber more negative. Reduce the ride height on this torsion bar. And hold it right there. We've made a dramatic improvement, but the bolt is now pretty loose. In fact, it's probably all the way off of the key. So let's do this. Put tension on that bolt, take it up about a 1/4 inch from where it starts to hit the key. Go ahead. And do we raise that one or do we drop that one? I say if we raise it, that should make our right front camber go from 8 down. And because we're raising that side of the truck up, it should make our +04 go a little bit more. Let's raise that one just a little bit and see what happens. Hold it! Noah, would you do me a favor? Come up to the front of the truck and jounce this. Let's take a look and see where it all settles in. Look at that. All of a sudden our cross camber went from 05 down to 02, and we are virtually perfect on that side and almost perfect on this side. And I'm going to double check it. Let's switch this car to half tolerance. Show measurements and bar graphs. We're still in a green. I'd say that counts.